This is day 2 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. I will not be doing 25 days because I'm lazy. Instead, I'm gonna do the 12 days of Vlogmas, and I made it up, so it's a thing now. So we're gonna be making a peppermint hot chocolate. We tried it already because we wanted to test it before we made a video. We decided to make our own peppermint syrups. Okay, what do we do? I didn't make them last time.
Half cup of water, half cup of sugar.
1 part water, 1 part sugar. And then you bring them to a boil. And then once it's boiling, you bring them back down to a non-boil, medium temperature, and you gotta stir it for 45 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Not 45.
I said 4 to 5, but it may have sounded like 45.
45 minutes.
Oh, this is vanilla. We don't want that.
Oh, your armpits stink.
All right, well this is going, so we gotta pour this.
I don't know what that is. I don't want to drink it though.
I think you can't smell through the camera.
Whoever washed this pot last did not wash all the burnt food off of it. Was me restart. I would say that was a waste of sugar, but we bought this gigantic bag because it was 50 cents more for this or a tiny one. And we're like, well, sugar doesn't go bad, so whatever. I kind of want to try, so we just did white sugar, which is basically simple syrup plus peppermint. Simple syrup is a pretty, what's the word I'm looking for? Viscous. I would be curious to see if something like coconut sugar or brown sugar would work, or even maple syrup. Maybe we'll try that because I'm curious. Then we can make it a bit healthier. Everything else in this hot chocolate is actually pretty good. While we wait for the simple syrup to come to a boil, we will
Start the hot chocolate.
Yeah, but what are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of water. With one quarter cup of cacao powder. Also bringing that to a boil.
I told him in the last video that he's so quiet I can barely hear him.
So it's just water and cacao powder, but it makes a pretty good chocolate mix that we then add almond milk to.
But you could also add oat milk.
Any plant-based milk.
Well, any milk really. The peppermint syrup that we make, it has obviously sugar in it. Kind of adds a bit of a sweetener because cacao has got quite a bitter taste to it.
Yeah, if you did this hot chocolate recipe without the peppermint, it actually suggests sugar.
If we do plain hot chocolate, like no peppermint, we usually just add maple syrup to it.
We also need now our cacao water started. So I'm pouring it into, So I'm pouring the milk into usually what I keep my coffee in, because we don't have a measuring cup. Emma broke it. So you want to have your 4 cups all together because you want to add it slowly.
I feel like this is a super ratchet university thing, having a broken measuring cup and using something that its purpose is not as a measuring cup.
You want to stir with the syrup.
Oh yes, I was gonna do that. Helping!
Don't want to let the milk boil, so it will froth over.
But I thought frothy coffee is like good.
The heat will froth it, but if you let it boil, it froths.
Oh, it makes a mess. The peppermint smells so good. It reminds me of the drink I get at Starbucks in the wintertime. Okay, I like peppermint, but I don't like their peppermint mocha. So what I do is I get a latte with almond milk, and then I ask for pumps of peppermint syrup. And it is so good. We need to do less Starbucks runs. Or not. You know what? YOLO. You buy that $5 coffee.
You buy, I saw someone did the math on TikTok, obviously.
Credible source, of course.
And I'm just throwing the numbers out of my head because I barely remember them. But I think it was if you buy a $4.50 coffee every day, take you 56 years, that would add up to a down payment on a house.
So if anyone ever tells you, stop buying coffee every day to save money for a house, nuh-uh. TikTok tells me that's not the case, and they'll shut right up.
All right, so this simple syrup has gone. The simple syrup has gone for 4 minutes at a bit of a low simmer, boilish type of thing. So now we can just throw it in. This might be a little too pepperminty because I was doing a 1/3 cup before. That's about half a cup.
No, it can never be too pepperminty.
Yeah, exactly. So I thought we would just take the chance and let you guys know how it goes.
And because we are super extra, basically gourmet chef, baristas,
Hot chocolate artist.
Hot chocolate artists. That's us. We have crushed candy canes on the top. How many did you do? 2 candy canes? Really? 1 candy cane. Ooh, that's, hey guys, what's up? And because they don't have, what are they called? Mallet? The things that you beat the steak. So we are using our hammer. Coconut whipped cream. It's almost empty. We are out of whipped cream. So what was supposed to be really beautiful is, here, I'll show you. It looks like this. Yes, they say wifey and hubby. No, we're not married. No, we are not engaged. Yes, I am crazy. Now that I bought these, I guess we have to get married. Oh no. Guess who's awake? Whoa, good morning. You're very awake now, hey? You're gonna hate me one day. When you're 15 and these videos are on the internet, let's make some popcorn. She's not impressed. She sees the hot chocolate now and she wants it.
Obviously, you gotta go coconut oil. It's got the best heat distribution. Try canola oil, olive oil, avocado oil. Coconut oil comes up the top every time. You want one little kernel. When that pops, then you know it's the right temperature. Credit to Tori Cole.
Wait, you gotta do the fancy swifting technique. Ooh, fancy. You wanna vlog now? Yeah, that's some good stuff. That is a great. We're just a little excited for Bachelor night. Bachelorette. Okay. Careful, this is hot. You can look, but you can't touch.
We've popped now. Now we kind of just eyeball it. Keep it moving as much as possible, but depending on how lazy you are, I mean, you can survive without it. You might have a couple burnt kernels. Hey, free.
We're gonna watch The Bachelorette with our friends. Lucia texts us back. We're waiting, impatiently waiting.